Be informed. Be alert. The information you need to know about COVID-19 vaccine. Right here, right now, on The Vax.
Perhaps tanan kita hindi immune sa damo-damo no nga thoughts about COVID-19, but I think ang pinakadako nga misconception about COVID-19 to begin with is that COVID-19 is not real. Hindi tuod nga may COVID-19. Nga ang COVID is a myth, ang COVID is a hoax, and iba nga tao even ang ginambal nila ang COVID is purely business sang pharmaceutical companies, sang mga healthcare workers. But I tell you, COVID is real. Tuod-tuod ang COVID. Even if you look at the statistics worldwide, to date, no, in more than just a year, 173 million people worldwide were tested positive for COVID. Kag sa 173 million nga ni, to date, there are more than 3.7 million deaths. Sa Pilipinas lang, our COVID-19 census is around 1.2 million this June. And of that, more than 22,000 people have died. Never in history, in such a short period, nga amo ni kadamo nagkalamatay and were proven by our PCR test nga nag-positive gid iya sa COVID. So I think amo ning pinaka-first nga issue nga i-tackle, that people should believe that COVID is here and COVID is real.